Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon. Now click on these three lines here, and now click settings and privacy. Now click security, and here you will find your security settings. You can manage your security settings, your security alert, your manage devices, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.